Construct an angle of 20 degrees. In this video, we will learn how to construct an angle of 20 degrees. First, we need to draw a line segment. To do so, take a ruler and draw a line segment, and label the endpoints as A and B. Take a compass, adjust it to some length, and using point A as a center, draw an arc as shown. After this, without changing the length of the compass, and using this point as the center, draw the arcs on the horizontal line as shown. Label these points as D and E. After this, without changing the length of the compass, and using these 2 points D and E as centers, cut the arcs as shown. In the end, draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line segment. The angle made by this line with the horizontal line is 20 degrees. You can cross-check by using a protractor. I hope this video helped you understand how to make a 20-degree angle. If you liked it, please click the like button and share it with others. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications to see my latest videos.